Did we hit somebody?
It's just, it makes noises.
That's not supposed to be there.
Being a man, it's about being able to support yourself, knowing how to do a job and doing it right the first time.
This is pretty simple. I mean, everybody knows how to throw a ratchet strap.
No.
What?
Being a man is about supporting your family.
Wait, why are you hooking it there?
Well, I don't want the board to fall out. Wait, something's wrong here. Oh, I need to tuck this in.
I can let them know or sit back and watch the show unfold, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. Hey, wait for me!
Oh no, I just tied it down, the whole bag collapsed. My dad is gonna kill me.
You had that long speech about what it takes to be a man, and you just tied a ratchet strap to your f***ing wheels, you dip. My truck!
Pull forward.
You pull forward. You backed into me.
Let me pull forward some. Brady here has volunteered to do a tug of war with us.
Yeah, I mean, that's my only truck.
I'm gonna